Today I am planning to explain some words, how many, how much, how to use them in a sentence. Let me start. First one, how many mangoes are there? How many mangoes are there? Not many here. How many mangoes are there? Not many. Many means large number of something that consisting of large number of people or things. That is where we use many. Many means large number of something which is consisting of large number. It can be people or things. How many pencils are there? How many pencils are there here? Not many. Not large number here. Not too many pencils. How much water is there? How much water is there here? Not much. There is one water bottle here. How much sugar is there? Not much here. How many and how much are used to talk about the quantity of things. We use how many and how much to ask something that quantity, that things volume, how much that something is having, like number of quantity of things. We use how much and how many used to ask about the quantity of things, like how much are there, like how many pencils are there. How many is used with countable plural nouns. Here, pencils, more than one pencil, and mangoes, apples, etc. Like we use how many when the things are plural form, those are in plural form, and with countable noun we use how many, like pencils, mangoes, apples, etc. We can count, and those are in plural form, more than one thing. That is where we use how many. How much is used with uncountable nouns. How much is used with uncountable nouns like sugar, water, milk, etc. We cannot count sugar, water, milk. How much is used with uncountable nouns. So we can't count how much water is, like we do in like here, pencils and all we can count, mangoes and all we can count 1, 2, 3 like that. They are countable plural nouns, more than one time, more than one. That is where we use how many. How much is used to ask about like uncountable nouns, sugar, water, milk. That is where we use how much, like how much sugar is there, like how much for water, how much is water, how much for the water, how much for a liter of milk. Like even in cost during that time to ask some price for something, that is where we use how much. Like how many and all, like we can count, that is where we use how many. How many mangoes are there, how many pencils are there. Here how much is used with uncountable nouns, and we also use how much to ask about the price or cost of something, like how much for a pencil, it's 5 rupees. How much for a liter of milk, it's rupees 80. So to ask something, some price, that is where we use how much. How much for something cost, how much for something price. When we go for shopping, that time we ask how much does it cost, how much it will cost. It can be anything like clothes, anything. When we want to know the price, so that time we usually ask how much it will cost. The price of something that we want to buy. those we will ask during shopping or anywhere when we want to know the price, when we get to know the price, how much that things will cost. That is where we use how much. And how many we use like countable plural nouns, pencils, mangoes, apples, etc. And how many and how much are used to ask about the quantity of things. Quantity of things. I hope you understand this how many and how much. Like we can use how many when the things are countable. That is where we use how many, and which are in plural form. That should be in plural form, plural nouns. Like pencil, pencils, mangoes, apples. That is where we use how many. When we can't count, like nouns which are in plural, like those are not countable, uncountable nouns like sugar, water, milk. That time we use how much, and we also use how much to ask the price or amount or something that we want to buy, and that is where we use how much, cost of that price, cost of that something that we are going to buy things. That is where we use. Yeah, I hope you understand these two, like how many and how much, how to use in a sentence. Like here, how many mangoes are there? Here we can see here 3 mangoes. But we say how many mangoes are there? Not many. Many means large number of something. It can be people or things. Here, not many. So that is why they have given answer like this, not many. How many pencils are there? Not many. How much water is there? Not much. How much water is there? Not much. How much sugar is there? Not much. Yeah, thank you. Bye for now. I hope you understand. Yeah, thank you.